If you have ever tried email marketing before and felt like nobody is replying, you're not alone. Or what if you could send emails that are personal, get opened, and also actually get replies? Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Lemlist for email marketing step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how Lemlist works, how to set up your first campaign, and also how to write emails that actually get replies, and how to avoid beginner mistakes. Now, what is Lemlist? Think of Lemlist like a smart assistant for sending emails. Instead of manually emailing one person at a time, Lemlist lets you send emails automatically, personalize each message, and also follow up without doing it yourself. It's mainly used for cold email, which basically means emailing people that don't know you yet. Now, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and follow along for completely free. Let's dive in. Once here, you're going to tap on Start a 14-day free trial and you're going to enter in your email information. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the Lemlist homepage. Once on the homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is connect your email. To connect your email, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap right where you see your profile name in the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to tap right there. Then you're going to see the option Settings. You're going to tap on Settings. And what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option where you see Sending Settings. You're going to tap there and you're going to see the option Email. You're going to tap on the drop-down menu and you can see that you can connect up to 5 emails. You're just going to tap on Connect Email and from there you'll be able to connect your email. For this example, I'll be using a regular Gmail account. But what I would recommend you do is always use a professional email account if you're planning to do a lot of outreach, as this will come across as more professional. And by that I mean your name at yourbusiness.com. So I would recommend that you do that, get a professional email account. But for this tutorial, I'll be using a regular Gmail account. And you can connect up to 5 emails. After you have connected your emails, the next thing I want you to do next is you could also connect your LinkedIn account, as you can see right here. So if we were to go back and tap on our profile name and select settings, from here you could also connect your LinkedIn account. After connecting your LinkedIn account, you can also tap on Connect Phone Number depending on the type of marketing outreach that you want. But for this example, we're doing email marketing, so you'll just need to connect your email. After you have connected your email, the next step that I would recommend you do is not compulsory, but I would recommend it. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, select where you see Lemlist, and you're going to select Lemwarm. This is an option that they provide which will allow you to warm up your email. So before sending emails, you can warm up your account. This is super important. And Lemlist has a built-in warm-up feature that automatically sends and receives emails to build your reputation. So think of it like building trust with email providers. So you can use the Lemwarm feature to warm up your email. After you have done that, if you would like to do that, and that would increase your open rate and also your delivery rate, so that will help to ensure that your emails don't go to spam. So that's an option that you can use. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here you're going to tap right where you see campaigns. After selecting campaigns, you're going to tap on Create Campaign and you're going to create your first campaign. With Lemlist, you have 3 options. You can either use their Create with AI feature, which is in the beta mode, or you can choose Create manually, or you can choose from the different templates that they have. For this example, I'm just going to be selecting Browse Template Library. So I'm just going to tap on Browse Template Library right here. After you have done that, you can select emails, for example, to get more personal. Once you have selected emails, you're going to see different templates load up. Just give it a few seconds. I'm just going to tap back on campaigns better yet. After you have done that, you can see different templates that you can choose from. So you can preview this one. As you can see right here, you can see different templates that you can choose from. So you could select, for example, if it is a case that you would like to book meetings. If you don't see a template related to the purpose that you want, you can go back. So we'll select campaigns. I'm just going to remove this. So I'm just going to tap right here and I'm going to select Archive Campaign. I'm going to tap on Create Campaign once more. I'm going to tap on Create Manually. After you have selected Create Manually, I'm going to select Email. So an email will be sent first. After doing that, you're going to tap here, select sender, and you're going to select your email account. After you have selected your email account, you can put in the subject right there. After you have put in the subject, you can type out your email, your first email that you would like persons to receive. You can also tap on templates from the top here. After you have selected templates, from there you can view different templates. So you could tap on public templates and you can see different templates that you can choose from. Again, it all depends on what type of outreach you are doing. You can see different templates right here that you could choose from, so you could select a particular template. After selecting the template or typing out your email, so I'm just going to enter in test for example's sake, you're going to tap on the plus once more. And from here, you could select email and you could select a follow-up email that you would like to send. For example, you can see the waiting time would be 1 day. If you would like to edit that, you can tap on the pencil icon and you can either increase or decrease that particular time. And again, you can type out the type of email that you'd like to send. So for example, your follow-up email could be like something like, hey Sarah, I came across your Shopify store and really like your product line. I noticed your homepage could be optimized to increase conversions. It all depends on what's your purpose for your email outreach. So you can add that in right there. You can also add an outcome, so you can tap on the plus. And after you have done that, you can select different conditions. So for example, you can see right here, conditions. So for example, let's say opened email. After that, you like to stop sending email or book that meeting. You can also use their lend call feature. You have different conditions that you can also set up in your automation. Once you're finished setting up your automation, you're just going to tap on lead list. And this is where you'll be able to import your list. You can tap on import new lists. After you have selected import new lists, from here you have a few options. You can either tap where you see CSV import. If you already have a list, you can import your list using that option. You can also use the people database, which is basically Lemlist, where you'll be able to search through there and I think you'll get access to over 4 million different accounts that you can search through, so it's a large database. You can also tap where you see LinkedIn import, and if it's a case that you're done outreach on LinkedIn, you will be able to import it, as you can see right here, once you have connected your LinkedIn account. So you have different options that you can choose from. Now let's say for example we would like to use the Lemlist feature. All you need to do, we could go over to the left hand menu option. You can tap on company name. You could type in the company right there, or if you don't know the company name, you can scroll down and you have different filters that you can use. So for example, you can see company country. You have different options that you can choose from: company link and URL, or if it is a case that is a job, you can choose job title, location, different filters that you can zone down. You can also tap on contact list. If you have your contact list right there, you have different options that you can choose from. Now, if it is a case that you would like full access to the Lemlist people database, you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on people database, and from here you'll have even more filters that you can choose from, as you can see right here. Now let's say for example I were to use follow-up boss, so I'll simply select follow-up boss right there. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you could also use different filters, as you can see right here. So I could filter by country or so on. Once I'm finished and it is to my liking, you can see right there, I could select the persons that I would like to outreach, for example a particular department, or you can tap right here to select all. It all depends, so I'm just going to be selecting a few for example's sake. After you have selected a few of them or the amount that you want, you're going to tap on push the leads, and you can see the option push the campaign. So I'm going to tap on push the campaign. Then you can see find verified emails, so we're going to toggle that on. You could also choose find phone numbers, and you could do that, but we're going to tap right there. After you have done that, you can see successfully added 4 leads to campaign. Now you can go back over to the left hand menu option, tap on campaigns, and you're just going to select the campaign. After you have selected the campaign, you can tap on lead list. Once you have selected lead list, you can see right here that the leads have now been added, and you're going to give it a few seconds and it is going to be adding the verified emails, as you can see right here. Once the emails have been added, you're going to tap on launch and you will be able to launch your campaign. Just like that, you'll be able to set it up So I'm just going to be typing something random here. You can tap on launch and you will be able to see it right here. After you have done that, you can select the name and you'll tap on launch the lead. And that's how you'll be able to set it up and how you'll be able to create your email marketing campaign using Lemlist. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, you can leave it in the comment section. And thanks for watching.